American.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Standard British.
Hello there. How can I help you?
Devonshire.
Hello. How can I help you?
German.
Hi. How can I help you?
Scottish.
Hello. How can I help you?
Geordie.
All right. How can I help you?
Brummie.
Hello. How can I help you?
Yorkshire.
Hi. How can I help you?
Scouse.
All right there. How can I help you?
Irish.
Hi. How can I help you?
Russian.
Hi. How can I help you?
Cockney.
I can help you.
South African.
Hi. How can I help you?
Northern Irish.
Hey there. How can I help you?
New Zealand.
Hi. How can I help you?
British RP.
Hello. How can I help you?
New York.
Hi. How can I help you?
Australian.
Hi. How can I help you?
Welsh.
Hello. How can I help you?
French.
Bonjour. How can I help you?
Southern.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Jamaican.
Hi. How can I help you?
West Country.
Hi. How can I help you?
Spanish.
Hola. How can I help you?
Canadian.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Dutch.
Hi. How can I help you?